A tremendous amount of data is generated every day through activities like online shopping, social media, and payments. Statista states that by 2025, the world will have generated 175 zettabytes of data. With more and more people accessing the internet, it is extremely important to understand and handle this data. What is data processing? Raw data is of no value to any company. Data processing is when we process raw data and make it valuable. Data scientists and engineers usually do it in phases. There are typically 6 principal steps in the data processing cycle. Step 1, collection. The initial step in data processing is obtaining raw data. The type of raw data obtained matters as it affects the outcome. Step 2, preparation. Data preparation, or cleaning, is sorting and classifying the raw data to eliminate unwanted or erroneous information. Step 3, input. Here, the cleaned and prepared data is converted into a computer-readable format and fed into the system. Step 4, data processing. We employ a number of ways and methods by means of implementation through this step. Step 5, output. After processing the data, it is displayed to the user in an easy-to-grasp manner, like graphs, tables, reports, or videos. The output can be saved and used in the next data processing cycle. Step 6, storage. The last step is to save the metadata and data for future reference. Data processing methods. There are 5 separate methods of processing data: manual, mechanical, electronic, distributed, and automatic. Let's discuss them all a little further. 1. Manual data processing. In manual data processing, everything is done by hand. 2. Mechanical data processing. Mechanical data processing utilizes tools or equipment like calculators, typewriters, and printing presses. 3. Electronic data processing. Through this, the most recent technology like computers and data processing software is used to process data. 4. Distributed processing. Distributed processing refers to dividing the job among multiple devices or computers. 5. Automatic data processing. Automatic data processing employs software to carry out procedures automatically. It accelerates, reduces errors, and enables individuals to focus on significant tasks rather than repeating the same thing repeatedly. Data processing tools. Some of the most commonly used tools that organizations use in order to handle, process, and analyze massive amounts of data are as follows. 1. Apache Hadoop is a computer program that helps in storing and handling much information on a very large number of computers. 2. Apache Spark. Apache Spark is another fast and free tool. It is faster than most other tools since it works on data in memory and not on the disk. 3. Google BigQuery. Google BigQuery is a web-based tool through which users analyze big datasets quite quickly. 4. Talend. Talend is a business solution that makes it possible to connect and work with data from any place. 5. Microsoft Azure Data Factory. Microsoft Azure Data Factory is a cloud-based service to assist businesses in designing and orchestrating data pipelines. Conclusion: data is increasing at a very fast pace, and the demand for professionals to process and manage it is increasing. Data processing is becoming faster and efficient with the development of technologies such as cloud computing. iCertGlobal's professional certificate program in data engineering provides you with hands-on training to achieve your goals in data engineering. It is a wonderful chance to build your career in data engineering.